This video will show you how to replace the blower motor on a Mazda 3. This will be located under the passenger side of your dashboard. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To do this, safely make your way underneath the passenger side dashboard. There's a small plastic panel with 2 clips to dislodge. Now down in this area is where we can feel that panel. The locking clips are going to be along the forward side. Now down under this area is where we can see our plastic panel. Along this area is where we can find our 2 locking clips. For each of these, you just want to take hold of them. You can typically do this by hand. You can press them forward and dislodge the panel. Just go ahead and slide that right out of position. A quick inspection of your panel and we'll set that aside. Now with the panel out of the way, we can see our blower motor. Let's start with the electrical connector. You can see it right in this area. For this, it does have a locking tab. You want to press it in. You can either do it by hand or you can use a small pocket screwdriver if necessary. We'll just press this out of the way. We can see the locking tab right where my small pocket screwdriver is. We're pressing that in, dislodge it. A quick inspection for corrosion. That looks good. We're going to have 3 Phillips head screws to remove. There's one here just underneath the glove box. As we move forward diagonally, you'll find the other 2. Let's start removing all of these. Now as we remove our final mounting bolts, keep in mind this is the last thing holding this in place, so we're holding onto the blower motor as we continue on. Remove the blower motor from the vehicle. There it is, friend. Now it's time to install the brand new blower motor. When we go to install this, we'll make sure we have it in the proper orientation. Just go ahead and slide this up and into the housing. Start in all 3 of your mounting screws and then snug them up. Tight. Double check to ensure your blower motor is properly secured. Continue on with your electrical connector. As far as that electrical connector, we'll make sure we have the locking tab facing in the proper direction. Press it in, listen for a click. After that audible click, we're giving this a light tug. We don't want to cause any damage, but you do want to ensure it's properly secured in place. Continue on with your plastic panel. As far as that plastic panel is concerned, the forward side has a plastic tab that slides through this rectangular port. Once you have that in place, we're going to bring it all the way up and we'll lock it in with our 2 locking tabs just underneath our glove box. Looking at the panel, we can see our tab. Slide that in, line it up, lock it down. Double check to make sure your panel's properly secured. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our vehicle's blower motor. The next thing you need to do is put the key in the on position and test the blower motor on all speeds, confirming you don't hear any odd noises. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.